Okay, this is my in-car camera mount. The little, hang on, let me sit down. I can't. Okay, the little miniature camera tripod, whatever it is called, the screw part of it, along with the angle. This is just the door threshold, like, you know, the little kick plate at the bottom of the door. It's the angle. I found the square aluminum tube that Kipke used, and also something else that someone else used, which was the angle like this. But it was $12 for a, how long was it? 8-foot stick, so I didn't need that much. 2 of the U-bolts with nuts and spacers. So yeah, let's see how it works. I already made one video showing it works. It was okay, but it ended up using up all the space on my memory card. And the only problem I see is when I move the headrest a little bit. Yeah, it moves a lot. So, let's try this. For this, I'm just going to go around the block. I don't feel like doing what I did before, which was go down gravel road also. Which I found I could drift in my car on gravel. So. Yeah. Okay, 4:01. See what time it is when we get back. Shut the garage door. Yeah. And my tire's stuck on my driveway. Garage door shut. Good. Around the block we go. Sorry if the video is shaky, I have no idea how to fix that. And a kid in a hoodie, riding a ripstick. Great. on this side, but when you're coming back, there's a stop sign at the same spot. I mean, on all the other streets like that, where it's just off to the side, they don't have a stop sign on that side. But someone apparently bought one of those poles, one of the cheap stop signs, and stuck it up in their front yard. And then apparently the committee that does the subdivision, but oh, they put a stop sign up. We need to put a real stop sign up. So they did. I swear, for 2 months I was tempted to take my Dremel and a long extension cord and go cut it down. That's pretty much how it went. It's getting windy. I need to go bring my peppers in. 4 to 6, so it took 5 minutes. That's it. Thanks. Comment, rate, subscribe, or comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.